Hello friends, welcome to Sahu Studies. In this video, we are going to see how we can merge two tables and in the margin how we can also delete records from a table using Spark SQL. So what I'm going to do this in this exercise, I'm creating a table with the help of a create table command, and this is the name of the table. Here I am creating 7 columns. Here this column I have created this AP delete it is of a boolean type and the table is of delta table. I am here inserting 5 records. I am also putting this boolean value records here. Here is true, here is false, here is false, here is false, and here is false. Here I am also going to create one more table. This is a target table and this was the source table. We are creating with the help of a create table command. Here we are also creating 7 columns. It has also one AP delete column which is of a boolean type. Here I am also inserting some records in it, and we can see here we are just putting the value of the boolean. So let me create these two tables and then we will going to merge these two tables with delete also. Means during the merging we can update it, we can insert it and we can delete it, all these three things in one merge statement. So let's go to the PPT, not PPT, let's go to the data bricks. Let me create a table. Let me name is merge delete. Let me connect this with our running cluster. We need to create two table and the insert data. So we have created the table above. Let me copy it. It will save time, otherwise it will going to take more time if I write a code to create a table and write a insert statement. Here, let me AP source, AP employee source for delete. Here we need to create one more column. The name of the column is AP delete is equal to boolean. Let me run it. This table has been created successfully. We can validate. So we can validate from here. AP employee source for delete. This table has been created. Let insert some records in it. So we need to create the insert statement. I have created already. Let me copy and let me run it. So records are inserted. So let me do a select. So these are the same records which we have inserted. Let's create the target table. Let me copy this code. Let me paste here. Here instead of source, let me put target. Let me run it. This table has been created successfully. We need to insert some data. So we need to create the insert statement. I have already created it. So let me copy and paste here. Let me run it. So all the records are inserted. Let me do a select. So these are the same records which we have inserted here. Let's go to the PPT. So what I'm just doing here, I am merging into this table. From where the data we are getting to merge it, we are getting the data from this table. We are merging this target table to the source table. Based on what? Based on this APID column. When matched, if it is matched and this AP target for delete is AP delete, means this target table has a column AP delete. If it is a value is equal to true, then delete that record during the merging. When matched, and if it is matched, there are two conditions. This is the when matched and this more condition, then this delete operation will going to perform, and when matched based on this condition, then this update statement will going to happen. How the update statement will going to happen? All the records which are present in target table, that will be updated into source table. And when not matched, then what we need to do? We need to insert into this source table the data which is not matched but it is present in the target table. So let's do this exercise in over Databricks. So what I'm just going to do, I'm writing a merge statement. Merge, which table we are going to merge into? We are going to merge into this source table. Merge into this source table. Which table we are going to merge? Using so here this using this target table. Based on what we are merging it? Based on dot APID equal to APID. If both the data matches in both the table, this APID is matches with this APID, then when matched, then when matched, and we are putting two conditions, and this target table dot AP delete equal to true, then what we need to do? Delete that record. And then when matched, then update same. What the data we need to update? We need to update all the data which is present in target to source. APID, then here is AP name, here is AP gender, here is AP salary, here is AP state, here is AP city, and one more column is there. What is the column? AP delete. AP delete. So here what it is doing, when it is matched, this AP ID is matched in both the table, then take the all the value from AP the target table and update to source table. When not matched, then insert. What we are going to insert? AP ID, sorry, AP ID, AP name, AP gender, AP salary, AP state, AP city, AP date. Control C, and the value would be this one. Let me format it. What I am doing there, I am merging in this table by getting the data from this target table on AP ID. If it is matched and this target table, this column has true value, then delete the record. When matched, if this AP ID is matched, then update all the records which is present in source table by taking all the records from the target table. When not matched, then insert the data which is not matched, which is present in the target table, and insert into the source table. Let's run it. Okay, so some error has occurred. So let me see the error. When matched, okay. This is when matched. When matched and let me run it again. So that was a typo, that's why it was giving error. Now the merge operation has been started. See, it has been done successfully. Now let's do a select of the source table in which the merge has happened. Select star from. We can see here this AP delete now, it don't have any true value. It has a true value. We can see here. This is the target table. It has a true value. This one. The AP city name is equal to Patna. AP ID is 101. But we can see it is not there. AP 101 is not there. And some data is getting replaced. This is getting replaced because this is matched it, and rest of the data is getting inserted. So we can see here in the source 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 AP IDs are there, but when we see in the merged, the table which has been the table after the merging, this 7 and 8, these two records has been inserted. So we can see here how we can merge two tables and how we can also perform a delete operation during the merging of the two tables apart from updating the records and inserting the records. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.